Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to filter all your emails with an attachment on the desktop application Microsoft Outlook. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in the tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft Outlook. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the application Microsoft Outlook. Search for this. Enter to open up the application. Wait for that to load. Once that has loaded, now let's go to the top navigation menu. Within Home, go to Filter Emails. The purpose of this tutorial is to have access to all the emails that may contain an attachment, which could be a video, an image, a zip file, or maybe another forwarded email, all in the form as an attachment. Let's just say we have about 30,000 emails and we don't want to keep scrolling up and down to physically filter like that. However, we need to use a shortcut, which is Filter Emails. Click that arrow and now Filter By has an attachment. And now we see one email on screen that has a physical attachment that we can click onto that will expand if it's a video, photo, etc. So we can now go back to filters, clear all filters. That will take us back to all our emails. We can now quit Microsoft Outlook. After that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.